Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP20 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by looking for an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Following that, click on Clean section at the bottom left corner and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, confirm your choice by tapping on Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!